Hi guys, it's Blake from Cardio Security. Today I'm going to show you the new Kenwood unit, the DMX8020DABS. So first of all, I'm going to show you the unit's features, and I've actually got it unboxed over there as well to show you what comes inside. So unit's features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This time on this unit it's both wireless, so last year's model you could only do wireless Apple CarPlay. This one you've got both. You've also got wireless Android mirroring, so you can mirror exactly what's on your screen to the stereo itself. As well as this, you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming and Bluetooth hands-free as well. So inside the box, you've got the main loom, which plugs into the stereo and then into whichever adapter you're using for your car. You've got your Bluetooth mic for your hands-free calls. This one you've got dual USBs on extensions so you can run it around to your glove box. And you also have a GPS antenna for Waze or Apple CarPlay for Google Maps or whatever. This is your fascia trim, and then you've got the booklet for information on the stereo. Then at the bottom of the box, you have the stereo itself. So you've got a nice big 7-inch screen with a row of buttons along the bottom. And then on the back of the unit, like I said earlier, that's your dual USBs. And now you've got a front and rear camera input for parking, and you also have a camera output. You have a HDMI input as well, for you can run a Xbox or PS4 on there as well, and then you've got 3 pre-outs on the back. Now, we do actually have a customer's car in the workshop that's having this stereo fitted today, so what we'll do, we'll go around there now, we'll see if it's fitted, and we'll try it out on the car so you can actually see how it works. Okay, we'll see you then. Hey guys, so we've come down to the workshop, we've got the stereo fitted in the customer's car now, so I'm going to show you all the features. Okay guys, so this is the main home screen that you'll come to when you start the stereo up. Just going to show you the main 4 touchpads on the front. So you've got your digital radio, DAB+, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and telephone Bluetooth calls. So if you touch this here, you've got all of your main features on the stereo. So I'll just go through them quickly for you. You've got wireless mirroring, USB mirroring, normal FM and AM radio, Bluetooth for streaming and calls as well. You've got your iPod connection, USB connection, HDMI inputs, AV input for your cameras and stuff like that. That's your DAB again, CarPlay, Android Auto, telephone. Go to the next one, you've got all your audio settings, and then you can put the unit into standby from there. Okay guys, so I've got my Android phone here. So I'm going to show you how to connect it for Android Auto and wireless mirroring as well. So first things first, you need to swipe down onto your Bluetooth settings, turn your Bluetooth on, and pair to the device. So you've got DMX8020DABS, that's the unit there. Just click pair, wait for that to connect. So you're now connected for calls and audio. Now for Android Auto, see it's popped up to continue, select Android Auto on your car screen. So you go Android Auto on the stereo. Just wait for that to process. There we go. So now that's wireless Android Auto, currently on Google Maps. If I click this here, go to the main home screen, it shows all the apps. So as well as Google Maps, you've got Spotify, all your podcasts, phone connections. You scroll down, you've got Waze and other settings and YouTube music. So you never need to use your phone whilst you're driving with this. Okay, so now I'll show you how to activate wireless screen mirroring. So on an Android phone, you just scroll down from the top, go into your main settings, and you'll have a button here that's Smart View. So click on that, and I'll search for the stereo. Just have to wait for it to come up. Maybe a bit quicker if you go into Smart Wireless Mirroring on here. Wait for it to connect. There we go, DMX8020DABS. Click on that there, start now. There we go. So that's now mirroring my phone exactly onto the screen. So I can now go onto YouTube if I want. If I turn it into a landscape mode, it will also switch it onto here. And then you can watch whatever videos you want on the screen. This also works for any kind of video app. Literally anything on the phone will come up on this screen here. It's very handy. I've got an iPhone here, just going to show you a quick connection on wireless Apple CarPlay. So all you need to do on the phone, go into General, Settings, General, and CarPlay. Now on the unit itself, just go into the main menu, Settings, AV, and you've got Apple CarPlay device list, and then press the plus. They'll then search for each other. There you go, straight away popped up. 8020 DABS. Click on there. Pair. You want to basically click yes on there. Allow. Let them pair together. Buffering. There we go. So we're all connected now. As you can see, it comes straight up with Google Maps, so you can then put your phone away. You can click on there to go to your quick menu, come back onto the screen, click on there, scroll left, and then you've got all of your apps as it would come up on your phone. So you've got Google Maps, Spotify, Waze, WhatsApp, loads of other things you can use. So as you can see, it comes up just as it would on the phone. And also what you can use is Siri for your messages and WhatsApp, so you never need to use your phone for messaging anyone whilst you're driving. So it's really handy. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up the main features on the stereo. So we do have this available on our website at caraudioSecurity.com. We do also have a fitting service available at our workshop in West London. So we do have quite a few of these new videos coming where we go in depth with the new stereos that have just come out. So if you enjoy the content, just like, subscribe and share if you can. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.